Whoa, Bitcoin is over 50K right now. Are we going to have a correction? Is this a bull trap, or are we going to go straight to the moon? Find out in this video. What's up guys, this is Daimotic and welcome to another video. Today we're going to start a new video series called Bitcoin's Road to 100K according to Kabalistic numbers. Now, I use in this channel the 36 and the 72 moving averages. Obviously 36 is a geometric number portraying to the circle, and 72 is another geometrical number pertaining to a measurement of time relating to the cosmos. So we use these numbers because they make more sense to us than the 20-week and the 9-week and the 100-week moving averages. I prefer the Kabalistic numbers. So are we too hot? Are we going to have a correction? What's going on with the price of Bitcoin? So as you guys can see, Bitcoin was over 50K in the morning, pumping 5%. Obviously, we had a correction at the time I'm making this video. We're currently at 49,890. But you can see that Bitcoin is overperforming Ethereum and Solana and BNB and ADA and a lot of the altcoins. When Bitcoin tends to move, altcoins usually wait and see. And obviously, I'm going to pull up the Bitcoin dominance. And you're going to see that as well. We had a little bit of a bounce right here in this white line. And we are currently moving upwards. Now, when Bitcoin starts pumping, when the dominance starts pumping, that usually signifies a little bit of a bear market coming. Because when Bitcoin's dominance is going up, that's good for Bitcoin, but it's bad for altcoins. So bull markets are mostly altcoins markets, and bear markets are Bitcoin markets, because Bitcoin thrives in bear markets. That's when Bitcoin really shows its true power. So let's get to the topic of the video. What is going on with Bitcoin? Is this a bull trap? This is the BTC versus USD on the weekly chart, and you guys can see right here that we are coming to the end of the year. We have a couple of weeks, 3 months left, and we currently opened a candle above this yellow trend line right here that was holding us back since the end of May. Now, if we switch on the daily, we're gonna see that something very strange is happening. Is that the 72 and the 36 moving averages are almost closing, or right here. They're getting closer and closer. And why is that? Now, the last time the 72 and the 36 moving average crossed was here, in this moment right here, before that 50% correction. Now, what does that signify? The 36 and the 72 moving average crosses. What does that mean? If we go back, I have two examples to show you guys that usually when these moving averages cross, that signifies a long period of consolidation. When I'm talking a long period of consolidation, I'm not talking 3 months. I'm talking 6 to 12 months of sideways action. And this is what happened here. Now, the first example is obviously following the massive pump of 2019. After this bear market right here, we had a massive pump. The 36 and the 72 crossed at this point right here when I put this green flag. Let me pick up the bars pattern, and if I copy this and take it all the way to this top right here, and I drag this back to where we crossed the first time, which is right here, you're gonna see that we still have a long way to go. We can still go sideways for a little bit long, because the last time we did go sideways, we went sideways for basically a year and a half before Bitcoin starts pumping. And that's the first example. So after this massive bull movement, when Bitcoin pumped a lot, it went sideways for a year and a half. Now Bitcoin also pumped a lot in this beginning of the year. So is it possible that we're going to go sideways for a year before we have the blow off top of the season? I think it is. And I have one more example, which is the famous crash of 2017. Bitcoin made a massive pump, a huge pump. And then the moving average crossed, and then we went down and sideways for over a year. So I personally believe that this upwards momentum right now at these current levels really doesn't mean much, and we might be looking at a bull trap more than anything else. And I posted a little post on TradingView saying that we might still need around 20 weeks of consolidation before we have a true breakthrough, because we still have to come down and retest that key resistance. And let me just pull the lines and make a couple of lines on the sand just to let you guys know where I think Bitcoin is going to trend eventually. So I'm going to grab this line and stick it more or less around here. Let's say that. And the other one from here to here. So what do we see if we make these lines on a weekly? We can obviously see that Bitcoin can still pump a little bit, but there's massive resistance at these levels right here, and most likely we're going to get rejected. We're going to come back down and touch one of these lower levels. Obviously, we have to pull on the RSI. The RSI is a very good indicator to basically let us know that, if Bitcoin is overheated or not. So let's pull on the RSI. And what do we see if we pull on the RSI? We are currently overheated. If you guys take a look at that, we are currently at 60, 61, which is not too overheated, but considering that we still have a bit of space around this area, we might come over here and touch the top of this trend line and then have a correction according to the RSI. So this is the video right here, guys. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you want to, and stay safe.